Brand, welcome back again to my channel. So we've got another unboxing for today. So I believe this is the portable TV. So this is a Casio, right? So let's go, gonna have to open this one and check it out, this item. Okay, yeah, there we go. Still some for USPS. Okay, is there something in the box? Okay, there's no. Okay, there's nothing left in the box, so let's go. Gonna have to open this one. So what is the my first impression of having a portable TV, right? Yeah, so TV on the go, in which you can bring it anywhere. And there's also this thing also is a battery operated, right? So yeah, I saw some videos of this in YouTube, right? So let's go, gonna have to check it out. So we've got, oh okay, this is what the Casio TV looks like. What is this right over here? We got some UHF VHS in off, I think it's off, audio DC in 5 volts, and a video. We've got a telescopic antenna, right? So what is over, yeah, and also we got the DC input, earphones. Okay, we got some earphones. Right over here is the brightness and the volume. Okay, yeah, so what I believe, Canada. Okay, television ordinaries Canada. So the TV model is TV 880B. So this one was made in Malaysia. Oh okay, battery, I think this one. Okay, yeah, so how to open this one? Okay, okay, there you go. So I got some battery. So let's go, gonna have to try it out if it's gonna be working. So yeah, mostly TV nowadays are now digital. So let's hope if we can get some analog, right? So analog channel. Okay, let's go. We're gonna have to put that one. So let's go, gonna have to, okay, oh okay, the antenna is so long. How to turn it on? Okay, all right. So yeah, so since we doesn't have a, okay, okay, volume. Okay, we got some lines. Okay, what is that line? Okay, okay, tuning. If we can get some, okay, let's see if we can get some channel, right? So yeah, so if I will go out, yeah, it's gonna be a channel. It's gonna be, right. So I'm gonna have to go out. So if it's gonna be working, all right, okay. So gonna have to go back for a couple of minutes. Okay, so okay. So okay, yeah, so it's still not gonna be picking up some signal. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna have to check if there's still oh, what is that? Okay, there's a picture. Okay, I already go outside to check some channel. So I don't know, so I'm gonna have to try it out in the internet. So what are those VHF and UHF here in the state that I am living in, right? So yeah, so the last time I have a antenna for the TV, so yeah, it's picking up, right? So yeah, what is this over here? We got the audio and video output, right? So I don't know if gonna be, like that one, but still it's still in good, right? So it's still, yeah. So I just need to scan channel, right? So we got some ear speaker over here. So we got the brightness, yeah. Okay, so and then the volume. Okay, I'm gonna have to get my phone. So how does it work? So yeah, VHF and UHF channel. Okay, UHF channel. What is this? Okay, to find a specific VHF and UHF television channel available, exact location, use the rabbit ear signal search map or antenna wave signal prediction. Okay, VHF band channels 2 to 13. Okay, we got how to check. Enter your zip code or street coordinates. Okay, yeah, that's right over here. You can see there's still some. Yeah, okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to, you know. So I think I need a clearer, right? So okay, what was that? Okay, okay. Let's do it again. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Yeah, so it's not picking up. I'm inside the house. Okay. So if I'm gonna go more uh, areas, it's gonna be picking up, right? So it's gonna be picking up. So I have an antenna, but I don't have a what is this called, antenna socket to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Yeah. So okay, that is why yeah. So I'm gonna have to try this in the work tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this work tomorrow to check if to check if can be, right. So to check if can be, right. So but I also found some 3.5 millimeter 3.5 millimeter, what is this called, um, antenna, right? So 3.5 millimeter, this one antenna to 3.5 millimeter headphone. Yeah, so they have that kind of what, right? But yeah, it's a good one. Okay, so I'm gonna have to try and troubleshoot some of this one. So TV system MM, channel is US. Okay, yeah, channel is US. Okay, so it's gonna be picking up signal when I am everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna have to try that one. Okay, so all right, yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Okay, and also I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so see you again on the next one. Okay, here we go. So we got the yeah, okay, uh yeah, there you go. I can put some 3.5 antenna right over here. 3.5 millimeter antenna, right? So gonna have to, it's not gonna be picking up. It's not gonna be picking up. Okay, okay, there you go. I've got the TV. All right, thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one.